Hello everyone. Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will see how you can create the developer subscription in Red Hat. So for that, you can go to Google and just say Red Hat developer subscription. Go to the first link, which is developers.redhat.com. So here I'm already logged in. So let me log out first, and then I will show you that how I can create a new subscription. So I'm logging out, right? Now here I will go to join Red Hat developer. If you already have a login credential, then you can click on this login. If you are new to this Red Hat developer, then you can join the Red Hat developer subscription. When you click on this, it will open a form. You need to fill that form. Here you can see that we need to give the login information. You need to create an account. So you need to choose a login name. You can give any login name which does not exist in the Red Hat database. For example, if I create my account, so this already exists, so it will not allow. But if uh, if this account does not exist in Red Hat subscriptions, then it will allow me to create this login name. Next, you need to choose the password and you just need to follow these instructions that it should be 14 character at least, and it must have at least three of the following, means lowercase, uppercase, and number symbol. You cannot use the word Red Hat and password. Then you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, job role, your country. If you want the notification from Red Hat on your email, then you just need to click on this checkbox. At the end, you need to select all these agreement, and then you can create an account. Once you once your account is created, then your subscription is activated. Okay, so once I have this account, then I can click on back to login. Here I will enter my username or email. I'm entering my email. This is my non-operational email. Now click on next. Here you need to enter your password. I have created this account long back. So that is why my password is not 14 characters long. Okay, so now it is getting logged in. Right. So now you see here there are products which Red Hat. We will be using Red Hat Enterprise Linux, but as we discussed in our previous lecture, that there are different products which Red Hat has, like OpenShift, Ansible, right? And you can view all the product. But we are ignoring this. We are going to see Red Hat Enterprise Linux. In next lecture, I will show you how you can download the Red Hat Enterprise Linux ISO file so that we can install it on our virtualization software like VirtualBox or VM Workstation. We will be using VirtualBox, okay, in this training, but you can install it on the VM Workstation also. Thank you very much for watching this. See you in the next lecture.